Google Drive. Your Google Drive must be connected to your CounselMore account in order for certain automation to work. For instance, cannot interact with your Google Drive if it is not connected. When you enter a student into CounselMore and your Google Drive is connected, CounselMore will generate a folder with the student's name under their graduation year in a folder you have predetermined on your Google Drive. As well, if you have documents that you would like to be copied and placed into that student's newly created Google Drive folder, you can apply a template. A template is merely a folder on your Google Drive that contains information materials. We will move over to the Google Drive to take a look at that. Here we see My Drive, and the two folders have been created, the Client Storage folder and the Templates folder. CounselMore will create the folder's graduation year, and then inside we'll have the students' names. Next is the Templates folder, and you will see here, only as an example, that folders have been created here in relationship to the different focus or topics that a counselor may share. Therefore, this folder, which is a templates folder on essays advice, contains a few documents regarding essay advice that I may want to apply to a student's Google Drive folder and share with that student. When you want to connect your Google Drive, you will need to create two folders, the Client Storage folder and the Templates folder. Inside your Templates folder, you will organize into a series of template folders: your financials, your essay advice, and so on. We do have a counselor who has recommended that you build a spreadsheet, and in that spreadsheet you define what your assignments are, and assignments for a newcomer are the emails that we find ourselves copying and pasting to students over and over. Those continued repetitive communications are really assignments, and each one of those assignments likely has documents, worksheets, information pages associated with that assignment. So when those information pages are collected into their appropriate template folders, they can then be attached and easily tapped for CounselMore to copy the documents within that template folder and place a copy into the student's Google Drive folder. When you make a change to a template, it will not update documents that you have already applied to a student's folder. The original template folder and documents, a copy is being made. The student is not linking to your original folder. The student has their own share folder, as we saw in Client Storage. Moving back to our CounselMore. When you have established those two folders and you've organized your templates to your liking, you will connect your Client Storage folder and then use a similar button at the bottom to connect your template folders.